Hey everyone, today we are diving into the fascinating world of aluminum anodizing. This process is all about transforming the surface of aluminum, giving it a protective layer and a whole new look. Let's start with the basics. Anodizing is essentially an electrochemical process where we create a controlled oxide layer on the aluminum surface. This layer is super tough and acts as a shield against corrosion, wear, and tear. It also allows us to add color and enhance the overall appearance of the aluminum. Now, before we get into the actual anodizing process, we need to prep the aluminum. This involves cleaning the surface thoroughly to remove any dirt, grease, or contaminants. Think of it as giving the aluminum a good scrub before we start painting it. Once the aluminum is prepped, we move on to the chemical treatment. This is where the magic happens. We immerse the aluminum in an electrolyte solution, usually sulfuric acid, and apply an electric current. This causes a chemical reaction that forms the oxide layer on the surface. The thickness of this oxide layer depends on the time and current applied. The longer we keep the aluminum in the electrolyte bath and the higher the current, the thicker the oxide layer will be. After the chemical treatment, we need to fix the oxide layer. This involves sealing the pores in the oxide layer, making it more resistant to corrosion and wear. We can do this by immersing the aluminum in boiling water or using a sealing solution. And that's the gist of it. Anodizing is a powerful process that can transform aluminum into a durable and aesthetically pleasing material. Whether you're looking to protect your aluminum parts or give them a unique look, anodizing is a great option. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of aluminum anodizing. You might be familiar with the process, but did you know there are different ways to achieve that beautiful, durable finish? Let's start with some other methods of anodizing. You've probably heard of hard anodizing, which is a thicker, more durable coating. It's often used for industrial applications where resistance to wear and tear is crucial. Then there's the colorful world of dye anodizing, where we add pigments to the coating for a vibrant, personalized look. And for those who want a truly unique finish, there's even a technique called architectural anodizing that creates intricate patterns and textures. Now, let's talk about anodizing at home. You might be surprised to learn that it's actually possible to achieve decent results with some basic equipment and supplies. You'll need a container, a power supply, a solution of sulfuric acid, and of course, your aluminum piece. But remember, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear and work in a well-ventilated area. Let's break down the preparation of the solution. You'll need to mix sulfuric acid with distilled water, following specific ratios depending on the desired thickness and color of the coating. It's crucial to add the acid to the water, never the other way around, as the reaction can be quite violent. Once the solution is ready, you'll need to clean your aluminum piece thoroughly to remove any dirt, grease, or oils. Now comes the anodizing process itself. You'll connect your aluminum piece to the positive terminal of your power supply and a piece of stainless steel to the negative terminal. Submerge both pieces in the solution and apply a specific voltage for a predetermined time. This will create an oxide layer on the surface of your aluminum, giving it that characteristic anodized finish. After anodizing, you'll need to rinse your piece thoroughly with water to remove any residual acid. Then, you can seal the pores of the oxide layer by boiling it in distilled water for a specific time. This step is crucial for enhancing the durability and corrosion resistance of the coating. And there you have it, a basic overview of aluminum anodizing. Remember, this is just a starting point. There's a whole world of techniques and variations to explore. So, if you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting DIY projects and metalworking tips.